First, install your new Aurora Smart GU10 into the lamp fitting. Next, from your smartphone, select to add a new device. This will place your hub into pairing mode, indicated here by a steady green flashing light. To pair your new device, simply turn on the light switch. A double flash indicates pairing mode, with a further single flash indicating that the lamp has been detected. Pairing multiple lamps will result in a longer pairing process. Please allow up to 3 minutes for all devices to be fully discovered and have the correct name attributed to them before completing pairing. Now that our smart lamp is paired correctly, we can go ahead and press done. To begin controlling our new Aurora smart lamp, press the Devices tab. Tapping on the tile will turn the lamp on and off. Pushing and holding on the tile will bring up the lamp's advanced features. The yellow slider indicates the dimming level. With the slider on the right indicating colour temperature. See our AOne app tutorial for information on grouping, scene setting and schedule creation.